In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Opera GX to ask where to save each file before downloading. If you prefer having full control over where your files are saved, Opera GX includes a setting that prompts you to choose a location every time you save a file. This can be especially useful if you frequently work with different types of files and want to organize them into separate folders instead of having everything stored in one default location. Enabling this option only takes a few moments, and in this video, I'll guide you through the entire process from start to finish. To get started, open Opera GX on your computer and wait for the browser to finish loading. Once you're on the main browser window, locate the Settings option and open it. The Settings page is where Opera GX lets you customize many different features, including privacy, appearance, performance, and file management. Since everything is organized into categories, finding the option you need is straightforward. After the Settings page opens, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the Downloads section. Click on Downloads to open the available options. This section contains the settings that control where files are saved and how Opera GX handles files that you choose to save from websites. You'll also find several options that let you customize how the browser manages saved files based on your preferences. Once you're in the Downloads section, look for the setting labeled Ask Where to Save Each File Before Downloading. Next to this setting, you'll see a toggle switch. Simply click the toggle to enable the feature. As soon as the toggle is turned on, Opera GX will begin asking you to choose a save location each time you save a file from the browser. From that point forward, whenever you save a file selection window will appear before the file is saved. You can then browse to the folder you want, create a new folder if necessary, or select an existing location that best fits the type of file you're saving. This gives you greater flexibility and helps keep your files organized without having to move them later. If you ever decide that you'd rather have files saved automatically again, you can return to the same Downloads section and turn this setting off. The browser will then go back to using your default save location without prompting you each time. And that's all there is to setting Opera GX to ask where to save each file before downloading. It's a simple feature that gives you more control over file organization and makes managing your saved files much more convenient. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,